Okay, so the eastern states can be a little bit tricky to learn, and so we've got some tricks for us to remember. So there's a couple states that are just not going to fit into my little storyline with Chef MIMAL, and that's okay. So we're going to start out by labeling those. And the first one, this one is shaped like a mitten, like I could put my hand in it, right? And mitten starts with M-I. And so mitten reminds us that this is Michigan, okay? And then I'm going to cross it off from my list, okay? Next one that we don't really include in our Chef MIMAL story is our states that are the farthest north and farthest south on the eastern coast. And we had a useless fact recently that told us which one is closer to Africa. And surprisingly enough, it's this northern one, Maine. Maine is almost 1,000 miles closer to Africa than poor little Florida down here in the sunshine. Weather is way different in Maine from Africa. Florida's closer weather-wise, but I digress. Anyways, okay, so now we're going to bring back our good friend, Chef MIMAL, okay? And Chef MIMAL stands for Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana. And it's a good way to remember it. So you have like his hat and his face and his belly and his legs and then his boot, right? And so Chef MIMAL, he went wandering, and we're going to start up north here. And he went to Wisconsin, where he had some cheese. And unfortunately, it was bad cheese. So he got ill in Ohio. And when we remember that he got ill in Ohio, we remember that this stands for Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, okay? Now, when he isn't ill or traveling in Wisconsin, he likes to make fried chicken, just like our favorite place, Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you look at the state of Kentucky, it's kind of shaped like a drumstick, right? And you always have to cook it somewhere, so we cook it in our Tennessee pan, okay? I forgot I should be crossing off. So we've got Illinois, Indiana, we've got Kentucky, we've got Maine done, we have Florida done, we have Wisconsin done, and we have Ohio done, okay? So now we move on, and when Chef MIMAL isn't ill in Ohio or cooking Kentucky Fried Chicken in his Tennessee pan, he really likes to read magazines, okay? So we get the first three letters of these three states come from the word magazines, okay? And so that is Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. Now, once we get to Georgia, we're into our ladies, okay? And so we have several feminine names starting with Georgia. So we're going to come up here and we're going to talk about our twins, the Carolinas, okay? So we have Carolina and Carolina, and then we just have to figure out which one's north and which one's south. Well, using a compass rose, never eat soggy waffles, we remember north is going to be on top, and South Carolina is going to be on bottom. Continuing on with our ladies, we have Miss Virginia. Oh, I forgot, I got away. So Georgia, Alabama, we have Mississippi is done. North Carolina we've got, South Carolina we've got, Tennessee we've got, Virginia, and now we have good old West Virginia, okay? Those two go together, kind of like our twins, North and South Carolina. And again, looking at the compass rose, we remember Virginia is here and West Virginia is going to go to the left of it. Okay, now there's one more lady here, and it's our good friend Mary, Maryland. Okay, so Mary, Maryland. Now we're going to hop up here up north, and we're getting away from our Chef MIMAL story now. And this is the craziest thing. I always get these two confused until I learned this state right here makes a V. And so if we remember, it makes a V for Vermont. Now, do you know where Vermont likes to hang out? Likes to hang out at its neighbor's home, okay? So if you can remember neighbor's home, that gives us the abbreviation for New Hampshire, okay? And then we come down and see this little hook. It's like a ma calling her kids home, right? Like, come here, kitties. So we have our ma calling us home to Massachusetts. Okay, so Massachusetts, New York, New Hampshire, Virginia, we're done with those. Okay, now we're going to talk about New York. And New York is one that most people know. It's kind of like Florida and Maine. They're just ones that stand out and most people know. Okay. And so here's the crazy thing, because once you get up in these little states, it gets a little bit confusing. But we can remember New York connects to Rhode Island through Connecticut. Okay, so we've got Rhode Island, we've got Connecticut, and we've got New York done. Now, they really, for some reason, people really like the new stuff at the top, right? That's where we want all of our new stuff. So we have New Hampshire, we have New York, we have one more new, and that is New Jersey. And it goes right up here in that very northern corner with the rest of our new stuff, okay? Then we have this one. A lot of students said it kind of looks like an eraser to a pencil. This is Pennsylvania. Okay, cross that off. And then we only have one left, and it's our little L, Delaware. Okay, and those are our 26 states that are east of the Mississippi. So just remember, Chef MIMAL went to Wisconsin, had some bad cheese, got ill in Ohio. When he's not sick, he likes to make fried chicken, like Kentucky Fried Chicken, in his Tennessee pan. When he's not doing that, he reads his magazines, which gets us Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. Okay. Once you start with Georgia, then you're going to work with your feminine names, those names that often go to girls. Okay, so we go Georgia, and then our Carolina twins. And then we have our Virginia twins. And then we have Mary, Maryland, okay? And then you hop up here. We have a V that makes Vermont. Vermont likes to hang out in its neighbor's home, New Hampshire. And then you have Massachusetts, and this little hook is like ma calling her kids home. Come here, kitty. And then you have New York, connects to Rhode Island and Connecticut. We like all of our new stuff at the top, so we have New Jersey there. Pennsylvania looks kind of like a pencil eraser. And then you have Delaware, and Delaware makes kind of an L shape. So hopefully that will help you learn your 26 eastern states.